guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a face mask. So what you're going to need is a stapler, 2 rubber bands, and the most important part, the napkin. So what you're going to do is fold it a little bit, and then flip it the other way, and then fold it again. So we're just going to keep repeating that until we reach the end. So let's keep doing it and doing it. So we reach the end. So what you're going to do when you reach the end is you're going to take one of your rubber bands and then you're going to put the rubber band in. Then go a little bit far, and then you're going to fold it. Get your stapler and you're going to staple it over it. Okay, once you staple it over it, we're going to do it with the other side. So let's just fold it again. Get the rubber band, put it in. Okay, so once you put it in, what I just said, and for the other one, and then you staple it. So once you got that, you're gonna open it a little bit, and then you got your own face mask. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be putting on the face mask right now, and this is how it looks when I have a face mask. So guys, I hope you stay safe from the coronavirus. #stay home. Bye guys.